Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best foldable sewing table is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for crafters and sewing enthusiasts who are short on space but big on passion. This video will dive deep into the world of foldable sewing tables, exploring the key features, benefits, and considerations to help you find the perfect fit for your sewing needs, whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner just starting your creative journey. We'll examine various models, comparing their functionalities, durability, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Best Choice Folding Sewing Table. It has 2 rows of pegs, 2 storage trays, a large shelf, and a spacious tabletop. Keep all your sewing essentials neatly organized and within easy reach. It's perfect for sewing, crafting, or even as a convenient workspace. Use it for any project that needs a dedicated area. With its easy glide wheels, it's simple to move it around your home. Roll it to wherever you need it and tuck it away when you're done. Once you're finished, close it up and it transforms into a compact side table. It will look great in any room of your house. Made of sturdy MDF wood with metal hinges, it offers stability and durability. Lockable wheels and magnetic doors keep everything secure while moving it. When open, it's 46L x 14.75W x 30.5 inches. When closed, it's a compact 23L x 14.75W x 31 inches. Perfect for small spaces. What we like? It's a sewing station, craft station, and even a side table. Its compact design and wheels make it easy to move around. If you need a versatile and space-saving solution with ample storage, this is the one for you. You'll love its convenience and adaptability. What people say? It's your basic particle board furniture, nothing fancy. But at the same time, the finish is really nice. Even the bottom edges of the door and sides are finished, nearly everything is really. The shelves are generous. I got rid of a bunch of patterns before my move, but with a few plastic bins, the inner shelf will be a nice storage area for the ones I kept and buy in the future. The shelves on the door are great and had room for my oft-used notions and then some. First, all the pieces are clearly labeled. The screws and other small parts come not only labeled but in their own separate bags. Second, there is a full-size printed assembly instruction book with step-by-step instructions written clearly and accompanied by clear pictures. Third, all the holes for screws and dowels are pre-drilled to a depth that makes it easy to put the screws in. Number 4. Sew Ready Eclipse Sewing Table. It boasts a spacious tabletop, perfect for your sewing projects or as a computer desk. The foldable shelf provides extra space when you need it, and folds away neatly when not in use. 3 convenient drawers and a large lower shelf keep all your supplies organized and within reach. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a streamlined workspace. This unique shelf adjusts to fit various sewing machine heights. It's also great for a laptop or keyboard, making it a versatile workspace. Its sturdy steel construction and thick tabletop ensure years of reliable use. 6 floor levelers keep it steady on uneven surfaces. This stylish table complements any space, office, craft room, or art studio. It seamlessly blends function and fashion. What we like? This table is built to last with its heavy-duty steel construction. The drawers and adjustable shelf provide excellent organization. If you prioritize durability and need a dedicated space for your sewing machine and supplies, this is a great option. Its sturdy build and ample storage make it perfect for serious crafters. What people say? The drop-down tray measures 23 x 10.75. It is easy to put together. It took me less than an hour, and probably only took that long because I was double-checking as I worked. It is very stable, and the fabric drawers are just the right size for storing notions and packaged patterns. The instructions were clear and the table went together well. It is perfect for my sewing machine and seems quite sturdy. Number 3. Sew Ready Pro Stitch Sewing Table. It boasts a spacious tabletop, perfect for sewing, crafting, or even working on your laptop. The foldable shelf adds extra space when you need it, and easily tucks away when not in use. Keep your sewing essentials organized with its large lower shelf, convenient right-side shelf, and 3 handy drawers. Everything has its place, keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. The adjustable sewing machine platform accommodates various machine heights, and also provides a comfortable spot for your keyboard. It's versatile and adaptable to your needs. Built with a sturdy steel frame and a thick tabletop, it's designed to last. The 6 floor levelers ensure stability on uneven surfaces, providing a secure workspace. With its well-thought-out dimensions, it fits comfortably in various spaces. It's the ideal blend of functionality and style for your home or studio. Please note the weight limits for the shelves and drawers to ensure safe and proper usage. Refer to the specifications for detailed dimensions. What we like. It boasts a robust design that can handle heavy use. The multiple shelves and drawers offer plenty of storage for all your sewing essentials. If you need a reliable and spacious sewing table with ample storage for your projects, this is the perfect choice. Its durable construction and well-organized storage will keep you crafting for years to come. What people say. With 3 drawers and a shelf, everything is in easy reach. Cords are managed via a hole they thread through and keeps them contained and out of the way. Table is perfect size and fits easy in small spaces and is easily put together. This table is very sturdy. The table is solid. Folds and will fit in the closet. Number 2. Aero Judy Sewing Cabinet. This cabinet is the ultimate sewing companion, offering portability and functionality. It's designed to make your sewing experience easier and more enjoyable. It features a convenient hydraulic lift with 3 positions, free arm, flat bed, and storage. This allows you to easily adjust it to your needs. It's compatible with custom acrylic inserts, creating a smooth, flush sewing surface. Personalize it to perfectly fit your sewing machine. It can hold most standard sewing machines up to 55 pounds. It's designed for convenience and versatility. It includes a handy storage bin and a door cubby for notions and accessories. Keep everything organized and within reach. It features sturdy locking casters for easy mobility and stability. Move it around your space effortlessly. When not in use, the cabinet cover protects your sewing machine. It's designed for both functionality and protection. It comes with a 10-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. Enjoy worry-free sewing for years to come. What we like. This unique table features a hydraulic lift for easy machine access and storage. Its compact design and locking wheels ensure easy mobility and stability. If you value convenience and a space-saving design, this is the ideal choice. The hydraulic lift makes sewing a breeze. What people say. It took me about 2 hours to assemble and I had no trouble following the instructions. I love how my machine fits down inside and the cabinet folds up and doesn't take up much space when I am not using it. Very easy to assemble and came with spares. Very good quality and makes a huge difference from the cheaper one I previously owned that had the same style shelf snapped off. This is incredibly sturdy and you won't have to worry about it falling apart. It took us about an hour or less to construct. I would buy from them again. Number 1. Sew Ready Comet Hobby Center. It features a spacious tabletop perfect for your creative projects, whether it's sewing, writing, or crafting. The foldable shelf provides extra space when you need it. It offers a large lower shelf for storing all your supplies, keeping everything organized and within reach while you work. No more clutter. The unique platform shelf adjusts to fit various sewing machine heights. It can also be used as a convenient spot for your laptop or keyboard. It's built with heavy-gauge steel and a thick tabletop, ensuring years of reliable use. The 4 floor levelers provide stability on uneven surfaces. It has generous dimensions to accommodate all your needs. The weight limits ensure safe and reliable use of its various surfaces. What we like. This table offers a large work surface and a foldable shelf for extra space. The adjustable shelf accommodates various sewing machine heights. If you need a spacious and adaptable sewing table, this is the one. Its large work surface and adjustable features make it perfect for large projects. What people say. It was super easy and quick to put together. All parts were there and labeled, screws were also sorted by number and instructions were pretty much picture construction map only, but pretty common sense to follow. The box it came in was very heavy, which made me worry about the weight of the table. But once put together, it was easy to turn upright and move. Not a clunky heavy as I thought. Just heavy enough to be sturdy. I sewed on it on high speed with my sewing machine and then my serger. Both times no wiggling or extra vibrations I'm not used to from sewing on a dining room table. I really like that my sewing machine with table attachment forts the sunken in part perfectly and makes my machine on an even level with the table. Also, the extra extension that I can use when dealing with more fabric, but is room saving and out of the way when moving around my sewing room. This is just what I was looking for, a small sturdy sewing table for my travel sewing machine. It was easy to put together, took 2 people, and is very sturdy. Does not jiggle when sewing. The height of the shelf for the sewing machine is easy to adjust. The item itself is very well designed and extremely functional. The instructions are very well illustrated and easy to follow. Assembly took about 20 minutes. The places where the metal components are attached to the composite working surfaces and folding sideboard are strong metal inserts set in the composite material and should not loosen or become misshaped as I have had happen on lesser grade products. The work surface is smooth, durable, and the size is generous. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.